go catch a bus right here in Siem Reap, guys. Heading down to Phnom Penh. Let's do this. Linda's grabbing some snacks here for the road. It's a little bus trip we got. You got
good. And this one rice with sugar.
Oh, rice donuts, sandwiches.
Yeah. Very good.
Yeah, nice thinking, baby. Nice thinking. Look at it. Fresh morning pastries, guys. Before you come on the bus, this lady right here is going to hook you up real good. Don Mahoney Travel sends you. Yeah, she's doing a great job. Alka, thank you, sister. Go ahead.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. This is where you poop right there. As you guys can see, they got everything on here. They've got a hostess and they have a toilet, so that's kind of nice. Show you guys the bathroom here in the bus. Very, very small. I got a sink, some soap, and of course a shower. But very, very small in here. Very small. Smaller than an airplane. I'm 6'4", you can see. So yeah, you got to be quick. After the rest stop, you're going to get a little bit of a meal. They give you 3 options: spaghetti, a sandwich, and something else. They give you water as well, so that is kind of nice. They do that after the rest area as you head on down to Phnom Penh. It's about a halfway point. Got little cafes here. If you were on a different bus or maybe taking a private taxi, lots of food options here too. We have more time, but the bus keeps a tight schedule. We did leave about 10 minutes late, but they were right on time. So let's go check out some more around here, guys. I've got a nice little shop here to get some coffee, some refreshments before you get back on the bus. If you want some water, some beer, they've got a little bit of everything. Check it out, guys. Get your coffees. I've got lots of snacks here. Check this out. They also have several street vendors that roll up here when the bus comes if you want to get some quick snacks. Go check out Linda. What you getting?
Mango and a monkey.
Oh, mango and a monkey.
I am a monkey.
You are the monkey. How much? She loves her monkey food.
Honey, you want to eat something?
No, I'm okay, thank you.
This one. This one egg.
Pigeon eggs.
And egg bird.
From bird,
Yeah.
small like pigeon egg.
And egg and bird, but some and have baby inside. Some is not have baby, but this one not have.
It's like a mystery pack.
Yeah, it's good.
She likes the mystery eggs. What can I say?
Egg in the dark.
Oh, look at that.
This one egg and a small and a bird. This one big and like in a dark and a bird. Very good. This one prahat and Cambodia call prahat and fish.
Fish,
Yeah,
like yeah, dehydrated fish. All right, guys, we're gonna get back on and hit on the rest of this trip here. We're about done here. Last leg here to Phnom Penh.
Let's go Phnom Penh.
give you ketchup to put in. It's Cambodian style, but A for effort. It's not bad. So it hits the spot.
Yeah, and a very good spaghetti, but I eat this one first, and then later I eat spaghetti. Very nice in this bird, and like $17, but it's nice for seat and relax. You can looking everywhere.
Alright guys, welcome to Phnom Penh. Hello. What do you want from me? I got no money for you. Alright guys, so whenever you get off the bus here, you I'm sorry, what?
Driver.
I'm filming. See, it says record. Yeah, we don't need tuk-tuk right now, brother. Thank you. Anyways, I was interrupted there. They're really pushy. Yeah, so it's a good little bus ride, and after you get done, you come out here and you have your luggage. You get them a tag, and they will give you your luggage. So it's kind of chaotic right now, actually. I don't know what's going on here, but yeah. All in all, guys, not a bad deal. Like I said, $17 per person each way. They give you a nice meal, hot meal, free water, and then make a pit stop. It's a 5-hour ride. They're pretty much on time. We did leave about 8:15. It was scheduled to leave at 8. But overall, not bad service. You guys saw the bathroom, looks good. It drops you right here at the night market across from the river. So if you guys need to know a location, there's lots of pass apps ready to go to pick you up. We'll see you guys in the next video. In the meantime, stay safe out there, and we will see you guys soon. Ciao.